Sound K. We have a threshold for the nerves of our body. This refers to the minimum intensity of a stimulus that brings about some kind of behavior. For example, there is a pond that is 3 meters deep. If someone piles up bricks 2 meters and 99 centimeters high, the bricks will not show above the water. We'll be able to see the bricks when it is piled up at least 3 meters high. Here, 3 meters is the threshold of this pond. There is a threshold to everything. That is why we have to put in effort until it reaches the threshold so that it will show. The problem is the threshold gets bigger and bigger. Whether it is for learning something or meeting someone, when we're working on something or studying, I think that I'm really trying hard, but what if it doesn't show? Well, don't give up and try a bit more. The moment will come when you reach the threshold and the result will eventually show up. You guys are listening to Sound K with yours truly, DJ Ashley. Welcome to Sound K, everybody. It is March 18th, Monday, 2019. You guys just heard Beyond the Wall by Dynamic Duo featuring Supreme Team. It's been a while. I missed you guys. How was your Friday and your weekend? I wasn't here on Friday, yeah, so I missed you. It's been 3 days. Did you guys miss me? I hope so. But yes, welcome to a brand new week of Sound K. It is Monday. Since we didn't get to really talk on Friday, and I don't really get to read your messages on Friday, I thought we should catch up, and I wanted to ask you for the question of the day. What's the most exciting thing you did over this past weekend? So please let me know. If you didn't do anything too exciting, that's fine. Let me know what you did anyways. It's okay if you just stayed home and just listened to some music or just, did like a show, watched a show on Netflix, just chilled. Anything is fine. So just let me know what you did. Tell me what you guys were up to. Update me. And yeah, you guys can send them over to the send message board or on our Twitter. You guys know our Twitter is at SoundK2022. And our send message board is on our website, which is www.arirangradio.com/soundk. And we have a lot of interesting and fun corners prepared for you guys today. We have quiz. We have Codename Ashley, and especially for part 2 today, for you who came from the start, we're going to have 8 little fairies coming into the studio. None other than Dream Note with their new song. They'll be coming in, giving us a live performance and talking to us about their new album. So yeah, make sure you don't go anywhere and stay tuned for that. And if you guys want to join us on Sound K, if you guys want to send us your song requests, if you guys have a particular song that's stuck in your head or a song that you guys want to share with the rest of the world, please send it over to the send message board and we will play it for you today. Alright guys, I'll be right back with the quiz, but first this is Louis singing Tero Boulevard featuring Lil Boy.
떠나간 거는 떠나간 대로 흘러간 거는 흘러간 대로 뭐 때론 좀 힘들 때로 있겠지만 나도 때로 지나간 건 지나간 대로 yeah. 난 먹고 싶어 배부르게 피식게 하며 밤새도록 매겨 평광을 다 깨버리게 그냥 아예 다이게 소리 동네 PC방 고대비만 포워 지방 전부 다 해버릴 거란 말에 훨씬 많은 시간을 귀한 돈보다 더 벌어버렸어도 내 말 털어버려도 뭐 이럴 정도로 남들이 나보고 하는 말마저 가려울 정도로 부정가 돼버릴 거야 다음도 새버릴 거야 내 한계를 깨버릴 거야 아마도 내 머릿속 많은 욕심들과 네 현실들 막을 때 하던 조심 생각이 넘치는 밤의 고민들 뜻밖의 많은 돈 지금의 나를 만든 건 나를 망친 것 마저 다 지나치고 맞이할 새로운 날의 아침은 괜찮을 거야 어쨌든 떠나간 거는 떠나간 대로 흘러간 거는 흘러간 대로 때론 좀 힘들 때로 있겠지만
well 여전히 잘 지냈지 조금도 이 시간이 약하지 않다면 그건 아니지 ATL popular pimpin' 에서부터 내 event 후회되는 순간들 역시 가끔씩은 있지 yeah, yeah. 사소한 약속을 까먹는 것부터 yeah, yeah. 생각 없이 술을 마셔 아침부터 yeah, yeah. 처음 본 여자에게 바로 fall in love yeah, yeah. 근데 겪어보기 전에 모르잖아 어떨지는 I'm saying goodbye yeah I'm living 너무 고마웠지만은 원매여 잘가 grand line 후회로 남지 않기를 루이 형이 말해 singing
떠나간 거는 떠나간 대로 흘러간 거는 흘러간 대로 때론 좀 힘들 때로 있겠지만 나죠 때로 지나간 건 지나간 대로
yeah. 지나간 미래에서 걱정해 뭐해 That's why drop top에 어울리는 노래 That's why 그냥 흘러가는 그 사기로 해 음악 주는 이 vibe 걱정은 빌어보는 이것이 lifestyle 강요해 날거 너 원해 나서 시원하갈래 난 block skyline 이곳에 wifi 또 내 prime time 여유로운 high-five
난 어차피 어제 어두운 basement 이 구름 위에 펼쳐진 내 눈앞에 rainbow 내 스타일 걱정 안 해도 돼버려 그 raincoat 더 높게 올라갈 거야 me and mommy girls here we go 떠나간 거는 떠나간 대로 흘러간 거는 흘러간 대로 때론 좀 힘들 때로 있겠지만 나죠 때로 지나간 건 지나간 대로
You want to message me?
Go A
RIRANG
Go A
RIRANG
아리랑라디오.com
Quiz, quiz, quiz. You can learn more about K-pop in a fun and easy way through our quiz. And now I'm going to turn on a part of a song. And if you listen to it carefully, there will be a strange sound effect instead of the lyrics. You have to guess the lyrics or the word that is supposed to be there instead of the sound effect. So listen carefully. Here comes the question.
너 아닌 척하지 마 눈에 보이지만 넘어가는 걸 What did you do yesterday 고민 척하지 마 거래지만 넘어가는 걸 What did you do yesterday
The song that you just heard was Block B's Yesterday, released in 2017. What is the word from the original lyrics that should have been in place of the sound effect, which is a hint to the answer, by the way? The choices are 1, 토끼, rabbit, 2, 사자, lion, and 3, 여우, fox. So make sure you listen to the sound effect carefully too, because it is a hint. I'll play it for you guys one more time.
너 아닌 척하지 마 눈에 보이지만 넘어가는 걸 What did you do yesterday 고민 척하지 마 거래지만 넘어가는 걸 What did you do yesterday
So this is what this animal sounds like. I've never heard what this animal actually sounds like, but yes. So is it 1, 토끼 rabbit, or 2, 사자 lion, or 3, 여우 fox? Which of the 3 will it be? If you know the answer, send it away to our SoundK quiz and answer board, which is on the left-hand side. You must send in your answers from Monday to Friday, and we only accept the answers written on the quiz and answer board. So please don't leave them on the send message board. And you must send in your answers all 5 days. And we're going to give the prize to one of our random participants who got the correct answer all 5 days. And we're currently still waiting for your song requests. We have some coming in. If there are any songs that you want to listen to, please send them to the send message board and we will play them for you. Our question of the day was very simple. What's the most exciting thing you did over the weekend? So please share with me. We have a lot of catching up to do. And we're going to be listening to two songs while we wait for your responses. First is 너를 보내도 by Bonnie, followed by The Lady by To Elson featuring Pumpkin and Toki.
하루 이틀 살 지나도 네가 머릿속에 가득 차 있어 지우개로 너를 지우려 해도 습관처럼 자꾸 생각나는 걸 새로 산 모자를 한번 써보고 새로운 치마를 입어도 보고 거울 앞에 나를 꾸며보아도 우울한 기분은 바뀌지 않아 Baby 까만 밤이면 네 생각에 I think of you yeah 다시 눈을 떠도 생각해 I'm missing 하루 온종일 날 떠나보내 보낼 수가 없어 내게 없어 그리워지 네가 난 그리워 내게 wanna 떠나보내 누가 내게 와도 해줘 여기서 around and round and round round and round 우리 같이 했던 그날 기억해 무릎 위에 머리를 기대어보고 네 가슴에 귀를 기울여보고 입술 위에 느낌 나누었잖아 Oh baby 아른대는 모습에 I dream of you baby 나 지금 또다시 I'm missing 하루 온종일 날 떠나보내 널 보낼 수가 없어 내게 없어 그리워지 내 맘은 같은 곳에 머물러 내게 wanna 떠나보내 그 누가 내게 와서 널 보내도 해줘 여기서 around and round and round round and round hold me in your arms 안기고 싶어 빛나던 너의 그 눈빛 돌아가고 싶어 한 걸음 두 걸음 더 멀어져만 가는 너 보내려 해도 보내려 해도 보내려 해도 You make me round and 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 You make me baby 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 보내려 해도 날 보내려 해도
I'm looking for a lady that was walking by when she was diamond in her rough. Tell me all about, and then I really want something that I can't deny. Well, let me do a thing, and I'm gonna put my game up on it. 표정이 없는 내일의 맘을 열어봐. 왜 자꾸만 시선을 피해 나를 바라봐. 알잖아 네가 없으면 너만 찾는 날. Girl, let me love you down and 참을 수가 없는 오늘. 망설이지 말고 좀 더 다가와 어디를 봐도 you're an angel from the sky 내 눈을 사로잡은 mad sexy cool step Hey hold on 어깨를 감싸 안을 때에 너 미소를 짓고 있네 hey. I'm feeling your style You're one of a kind girl and you just the way you are Picture perfect and lady You've got what I want There's nothing more than it I would need So take my hand Come with me baby 두려움만 떨쳐봐 한 번만 내 두 손을 잡아봐 지금 내 옆에 네가 아닌 다른 여자는 필요 없네 내 진심을 좀 알아줘 baby 붙잡아도 잡을 수가 없는 걸 오늘은 나에게 말해줘 That you've been feeling the same way too 표정이 없는 내일의 맘을 열어봐 왜 자꾸만 시선을 피해 나를 바라봐 알잖아 네가 없으면 너만 찾는 날 너만 love you 더는 참을 수가 없는 오늘 망설이지 말고 좀 더 다가와 어디를 봐도 you're an angel from the sky 내 눈을 사로잡은 mad sexy cool step Hey hold on 어깨를 감싸 안을 때에 너 미소를 짓고 있네 hey. I'm feeling your style You're one of a kind girl and you just the way you are Just the way you are But you're perfect and lady You've got what I want There's nothing more than it I would need So take my hand
Let go.
Come with me baby
Would you be my love? Would you be that her? Can I be the man that makes you smile? 어디 가든지 어디 봐 Girl I wanna make you mine 내가 원하는 걸 다 가진 너처럼 나도 너 위에 모든 걸 가졌어 내 눈앞에 너 빼곤 일단 난 아무것도 필요가 없어 I'm here girl All I need in this world is you for real girl 너도 나와 같았으면 해 The way I feel girl That's right Ready no dope bumpy Just talk to me
정이 없는 내일의 맘을 열어봐 왜 자꾸만 시선을 피해 나를 바라봐 알잖아 네가 없으면 너만 찾는 날 너는 love you 더는 참을 수가 없는 오늘 망설이지 말고 좀 더 다가와 어디를 봐도 you're an angel from the sky 내 눈을 사로잡은 mad sexy cool step Hey hold on 어깨를 감싸 안을 때에 너 표정이 없는 내일의 맘을 열어봐 왜 자꾸만 시선을 피해 나를 바라봐 알잖아 네가 없으면 너만 찾는 날 Girl let me love you 더는 참을 수가 없는 오늘 망설이지 말고 좀 더 다가와 어디를 봐도 you're an angel from the sky 내 눈을 사로잡은 mad sexy cool style Hey hold on 어깨를 감싸 안을 때에 너 yeah.
Welcome back, everyone. We listened to two beautiful voices, Boney and then to Elson. Let's see. We have some messages to get to. Where to start? Sid from USA says, "Good morning, lovely Ashley. Missed you. Glad to see you are doing better. Watched some basketball. My team lost. Aw, have a wonderful week. Tell the ladies hello for me. Love ya." Hi, Sid. Missed you too. Hope you had a great weekend besides the fact that your team lost. Hopefully they will win next time. It's okay. They will win next time. And I'll tell the ladies that you said hello. Ferrardo from Indonesia says, "Happy weekend, Ashley." Wait, what? It's not the weekend? Huh? We finally get our Japan visa and we will depart next week. We've planned to visit Tokyo and Kansai region, though we are still looking for interesting places to be listed in our itinerary. I think you should help us and give your recommendation. Oh, well, I've never been to the Kansai region. I've been to Tokyo, but I think I've pretty much been to the same area. But I think Tokyo, I like to, when I go like travel, I don't like to visit like too much of the city-like areas. I like to go to more like the traditional places of that country or city. So out of Tokyo, I liked Yanaka the best. It's a town called Yanaka, and it has a very like old town Tokyo feel. It's on the more traditional side, and it's a more traditional district. And there are a lot of cute little alleyways with lots of shops that have been around for many, many years, many, many decades. There are no cars allowed, so only, you can only walk around. And I like it because it's very quiet compared to like Ginza and Shibuya, where it's super crowded and just feels like city. It just feels like kind of like Seoul. So I wanted to like experience, like the traditional Japan. So that's why I decided to visit Yanaka, and that ended up being my favorite part of my trip. So I definitely recommend Yanaka, and I want to recommend Tsukiji Fish Market. But I just found out that it moved. It just moved to a completely different area. Like end of last year. I didn't know. I just found out right now. But if you find out where the new location is, maybe you can visit there as well, because they have, all these different types of fish, all these fresh fish, and all these dishes that you can try. And yeah, it's so cool. I definitely recommend that as well. So I hope you have fun. I'm so excited for you. I want to go as well. But the next time I go to Japan, I want to visit a different city like Kyoto or like Fukuoka, like another more country-like town. Those little towns that you see in Japanese movies or dramas, very quiet. And yeah, I want to visit those kind of places. So one day. Let's see on Twitter. Let's see what our listeners are saying. Jessica says Saturday night's Japanese dinner, and she sent us pictures. Oh my god. I see like tonkatsu, and the first one looks like ramen, but it's green. Whoa, what is that? Is that like, what is that? Oh my gosh, please tell me what that is. I am so curious. And why is it so green? Is it like white, but it looks green because of the scallion? I'm so confused. Wow, but it looks delicious nonetheless. Poetic Headset says, Hi, DJ Ashley. It's been a long time since I last listened to radio segment. Sadly, the most exciting thing I did was stream a song almost every hour for a group, A Fan's Life. I hope you had a nice weekend and weekday. Oh yeah, I forgot to update you guys on my weekend. Well, Joan finally came back from Paris and from France and Spain and New York. So Subines and Joan and I finally reunited. So we went out, caught up. Just walked around, drank some makgeollis, and had just a girl time. We were updating each other on our lives, and we always end up crying. I don't know. We always end up just spilling our guts and like just talking about our feelings, and one of us always ends up crying. But this past weekend, all of us ended up crying. But it was good. We got to vent, and we just talked a lot. It was definitely something that I needed. Seneca Living said, my friends hosted a St. Patty's Day bonfire / cookout, which was a perfect chill way to celebrate a Sunday holiday. Ooh, that sounds fun. Bonfire cookout. Was that like barbecue? You must have had some really good food. Ooh, I remember wearing green to school for St. Patrick's Day. It wasn't, it wasn't mandatory, but, just for fun, we did it anyways. Do you guys know about the Chicago River being dyed green every year? That like upsets me every year. I don't know, because I don't think that's good for the river and the environment at all. It just seems shady because they never really exactly reveal what's in the exact formula of the green thing that they put in the water. They just say it's like a plant-based vegetable like powder, but they never exactly reveal the exact formula. So it's kind of like what's in there. And then the people who dye the river, they spend weeks taking the green dye out of their hairs and like their clothes and their like skin. So I don't think it would be the best for the environment. And I don't know why they do it every year. And it's not even that pretty. I don't know. What do you I don't know. I wish they would stop. Anyways, Tostock says, visited an indigenous village for a client's CSR green initiative. I haven't been out on camping for years. Had, though, the time dealing with the mosquitoes and the heat wave. Hee. Oh my gosh, I despise mosquitoes. I think Korean mosquitoes are really, really strong and they're deathly. Last time, 2 summers ago, I went on camping with the girls and we went to the countryside and I forgot to bring the repellent. So I ended up getting bit all over my legs and my legs look like they were infected. I had skin disease because apparently I think I'm allergic to the Korean mosquitoes. So it ended up being red, huge blotches everywhere. And then it ended up getting hard and then it ended up being bruises. And then because it itched so much, I scratched it and then it became scars. And then it was just so hideous. Oh my gosh. But yes, if you guys do come to Korea in the summer, make sure to bring your mosquito repellents and do whatever you can to not get bit because they're really deadly. Anyways, thank you everyone for sharing your responses. I feel like I did so much talking. But anyways, we had a song request from Bob from USA. He requested 선우정아's 봄처녀, Spring Girls. So we're gonna play that and I'll be right back.
Real music.
Introducing the latest K-pop music
Listen.
on Arirang Radio.
Codename Ashley. It's the time that I get to share with you the songs that I would recommend, one song per day from my playlist. I love sharing good songs, and I want to share with you guys the songs from my playlist. And the song that I prepared for you today is I Just Wanna Dance by Tiffany, but this is the remix version. So this is called the Kago Pengchi remix, and this is the progressive trance remix version. And she sang this in English entirely, and this dude named Kago Pengchi. He is a Korean DJ / producer. I like the original song too, but this makes you want to dance so much more. And I feel like we all need a little pick-me-up on a Monday. And this song does exactly that. This song makes you want to dance and it gives you energy. So I felt like I should play this for you guys today. So let's go listen to it and tell me what you guys think about it after we come back. This is Tiffany's I Just Wanna Dance Kago Pengchi remix.
Walking downtown streets and the city lights, I feel the energy flowing through my veins tonight.
hot. I'm like sweating right now just from doing that. I hope you guys like the song. Oliver Khan said, Tiffany's I Just Want to Dance was my daily jam. Rebecca said, I'm jamming in bed right now. The song is so energetic, right? It's, the original song is just as good and it just has a different feel and vibe. And yeah, it makes you lit and it definitely makes you energetic. I hope the song woke you guys up for those of you guys who are just starting your days. And for those of you who might be ending their days, I hope you guys felt a little happier from this song. And yeah, now let's find out what's hot in today's news. What's hot today? The comeback news of K-pop singers continues. Today we have the comeback of the singer-songwriter Jung Se-eun. The singer-songwriter Jung Se-eun's new mini-album, Plus Minus Zero, will be released tomorrow. The teaser of the music video of the title song Feeling has been released prior to the album's release. In the teaser, Jung Se-eun seems to be lost in conception, and in another scene, he's showing off a powerful guitar performance with a nice suit on. Jung Se-eun participated in writing the lyrics, and the hip-hop musician Penomeko participated as the featuring. You'll be able to listen to the deep emotions of Jung Se-eun. Park Bom came back as a solo artist in 8 years. She made a very fancy comeback. As soon as the album was released, it ranked number 1 in all the major music sites, and the music video of Spring hit more than 5 million views. Billboard, the most popular music media in America, published an interview article about Park Bom's comeback on their homepage. I look forward to her activities in the future. Group New East released a new song 노래 제목, A Song for You, on March 15th, which is the date of their debut. As soon as the song was released, it is ranking top on music charts. With this, they're celebrating their 7th year of debut. They made a successful comeback with the entire members. The new song, A Song for You, expresses the grateful feelings to the people who have been there for them for a long time. It's a song that the New East members have been saving for a while to give to their fans as a gift. Next month, through the 12th to the 14th, they'll be holding solo concerts. Congratulations for making the comeback with all the members, and I hope I can see you in the studio as well. Let's go listen to the song that we just talked about. This is New East singing 노래 제목, A Song for You.
노래 들어요 다 할 수가 있죠 당연했던 모든 게 너의 고마움이란 걸 채워둔 일기야 비탈길에 나는 널 마음껏 표현치 못했던 휘청이는 힘없는 내가 싫었죠 눈물길에 손을 내준 너 이 노래 들어요 네가 외롭단 말하면 좀 더 안아주고 보고 싶단 말하면 네 앞에 있을게 변치 말고 그대로 있어줘 내 곁에 있어줘 길 잃은 나에게 지붕이 돼준 너 아낌없이 다 줄게 바보 같은 나의 모습이라도 날 위해 적은 가사의 시작은 너였으면 이 노래 제목을 나 대신 채워줘 시들어버릴 것만 같았던 꽃 눈물이 비가 되어서 떨기만 하던 믿어달라는 그날 그 말에 변치 않네 난 괜찮다며 혼자 삼켜버린 겁쟁이야 약속을 지키지 못할까 두려웠어 내가 변하는 건 아닐까 겁이 났어 그래도 넌 그대로 있어주고 지금의 난 너의 계절에 살고 있어 이 노래를 듣는 당신은 꽉 잡은 손 놓지 마요 네가 외롭단 말하면 좀 더 안아주고 보고 싶단 말하면 네 앞에
있어줘 길 잃은 너에게 지붕이 돼준 너 아낌없이 다 줄게 바보 같은 나의 모습이라도 널 위해 적은 가사에 시작이 너였으면 해 이 노래 제목은 비워뒀어 이 노래가 끝나더라도 우리 꿈을 담은 얘기들은 끝나지 않게 아스라이라도 너에게 내 목소리 닿기를 바래 난 너야만 해 Oh no 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 외롭단 말하면 좀 안아주고 보고 싶단 말하면 네 옆에 있을게 변치 말고 그대로 있어줘 곁에 있어줘 길 잃은 나에게 지붕이 돼준 너 아낌없이 다 줄게 같은 나의 모습이라도 널 위해 적은 가사의 시작은 너였으면 해 이 노래 제목을 나 대신 채워줘
어떻게 벌써 12시 Join me, DJ Lex on Hotbeat every night at 12 a.m. KST. I'll be waiting.
Download the Arirang Radio application.
Type in
ARIRANG.
Arirang Radio on your app store.
Download it and listen to
Arirang Radio.
88.7 in Jeju City.
88.1 in Seogwipo City.
101.9 in the Daejeong area.
Channel 144 on Sirius XM in the U.S. Arirang Radio.
Tune in. Arirang Radio.
Guys, for part 2 of Sound Cake today, we have Dream Note joining us. Actually, from now on, YouTube stream is going on 24/7. So we will continue to stream on YouTube as well, but we're going to stream on VLive too. So whatever is more convenient for you guys. If you guys like YouTube better, you guys can stay on YouTube. If you guys like VLive better, you can move on to VLive. But we'll be reading comments from both. So feel free to, join us wherever. But we only have VLive for the second part of our show, not the first part. So anyways, make sure if you guys haven't sent in your messages or questions for Dream Note yet, feel free to do them now so we can get to them during the interview. And feel ready or be ready to type in comments for Dream Note during the show because they will be reading your comments on VLive as well. Tomorrow is the No Name Corner with Key, and we're going to have a special guest, and I am very excited for the special guest too. I just heard today, but it's going to be so much fun, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love it as well. That's all I'm going to say for now, but you guys are going to be very happy. So yes, make sure to tune in to us tomorrow. And Wednesday, of course, we'll have Iris joining us for Song Express and Tommy Strait coming in on Friday for Drop the Beat. This is a corner where I learn how to rap. So if you want to check out my non-existent rapping skills, make sure you listen to Sound K on Fridays. On Saturdays, Nick and Sammy join us for Music to Music, and this is a pretty chill, relaxing time where we just talk about different topics and we kind of go off tangent a lot. We just rant. We ask each other different questions, and we just generally talk about music, artists, culture, music videos, different genres and music and stuff like that. So if you guys want to get to know K-pop better on a deeper level, make sure you tune in on Saturdays for that. We have a message from JJ from Texas. He says, "Good morning, Ashley. First time writing to your show, but listen every day. When you brought up the river coloring it green, just had to mention that they do the same thing in San Antonio. What I heard heard a long time ago is that they use food coloring to turn the river green for St. Patrick's Day. Have a great day. By the way, one happy anniversary for both. I started listening to Arirang the same day you started as DJ. I remember how shy and nervous you sounded, but you are doing a great job. Congrats. Wow, thank you, JJ. That means so much to me. Thank you for writing a message to me for your first time ever. And happy 1 year to both of us. Happy 1 year to you for becoming a Sound K fam, and happy 1 year to me for becoming a DJ here on Sound K. I hope you will continue to join us and continue to tune into us. And I will always know that you're tuning in, even though you might not be able to send in a message all the time. I'll remember you, JJ from Texas. So thank you. All right, we have another song request from Dana from USA. She says, "Hi Ashley, it's nice to see you again." Me too. I'm currently on my way to school this morning and would like to request the song Make Up featuring Crush by Sam Kim. I really like his Sun and Moon album because it's full of really relaxing songs. Ashley, do you ever listen to Sam Kim? Let us know. Love from the US. Yes, I love Sam Kim. I think he's a genius and he's super talented. I love his voice too. I loved him since his Seattle song days. I think that really made me fall in love with him, and he's just been maturing and progressing since then too. So I always look forward to his albums, and I make sure to check it out as soon as it comes out. So yeah, this is a song that I enjoy as well. So we will play it for you, and yeah, we'll be right back. This is Make Up by Sam Kim featuring Crush.
아무런 의미 없는 다툼, 차갑게 날 대하지 마. 모든 게 내 잘못이었어. 이런 네 모습 낯설어 난. 괜한 내 자존심 때문에. Baby, babe, hate to see you cry. Just talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Can we make up in the morning? 지금 얘기해 right now. 또 울면서 잠들 것 뻔해. 내가 널 잘 알잖아. Can we make up in the morning? Baby, baby, to see you cry. Baby, baby, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. 소하다는 말 아무렇지 않게 말아. 넌 이렇게 전화 끊지 마. 우리 솔직해지자면 baby. 내게 벌주지 마. 아무것도 손에 안 잡혀. No, 그만해 이제. 꿈에서도 한숨을 푹 쉬어. 다 느껴지는 걸 어찌 모른 척. 시간이 지날수록 더 불안해져만 가는 걸. Can we make up in the morning? 지금 얘기해 right now. 또 울면서 잠들 것 뻔해. 내가 널 잘 알잖아. Can we make up in the morning? Baby, baby, to see you cry.
Alright guys, I'll be right back with the cuties of Dream Notes, so make sure you join us. This is Stay by Hyodin, and I'll see you guys for part 2.
비스듬히 기운 달빛 그림자에 흘러내린 너의 머리를 넘겨주네. 모르고 싶은 진실은 눈 감은 채 잠시라도 있게 yeah. 그치지도 않는 비를 맞은 듯해. 작은 우산 하나 없이 젖은 어깨 한없이 거친 세상은 뒤로 한 채 단 꿈에 잠들게